my name is Abby. Today you can see me. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see me. So today we are going to start it to learn about the letter O. Okay. O. This is bleak. You cannot say the letter E. And you can say that this is the own pounds. So we started to do something. Home and home. It says M and N. So now let's read the story now. Nope, smell the rose. Quick, close the door. Nose goes to the rose. No goes on for nose. Calling all cone drones. Cone drones and nose reach the rose. Nose step back from the rose. So now let's do the activity. But I think now it's alright. So my name is Abby. Next, read the sentence and select what has long own sound. I can read sentence. So, do you wear a rope? A rope? A robe? A rope? I think this one will be the right one. Ding. Ding. She rode the bike. Ding. The cone is good. Ding. He helps her to post. We are going home. 3 right answers. So the next. Now let's watch a videos. But I cannot click on. So it's time to bye bye. Hey. So bye bye. See you tomorrow.